What's up, Peak Timers? Let's go ahead and open up a bunch of new Hot Wheels. And we'll start it off with the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. We have a brand new colorway of this one in green with some black highlights. Let's go ahead and open it up and get a nice close-up look at it. Really nice green color on this one. I like how that Ford logo comes up in the back. We've got that black striping that comes up with the Hot Wheels logo just right there on the side of it. We've got the blacked out hood in gloss black. There's that classic Ford Raptor grille right there in the front. On the backs, we don't have much as far as headlights or real lights or anything like that. But nonetheless, it's actually pretty clean looking overall of a vehicle. Next up, we have the 67 Chevelle SS396. This one in yellow with Ozlees on the side of it. Not sure exactly what that is. If you guys know in the comment section down below, let me know. But here we go. Look at that shiny yellow color. Yellow being my favorite color. You guys know it. And we've got gray wheels on this one. We've got the black stripe that comes down this center, although it's not on the roof, which is a little bit weird. But still, nonetheless, in that front end, that looks pretty aggressive. It looks like we do have a little bit of an air on the painting right there. You can see the paint is a little bit missed on that one side of the stripe. Big front grille in chrome, which looks fantastic. And from the back, we've got that chrome rear as well. But overall, a nice looking old muscle car. Next up, we have the Mod Rod. This one in white with some colored flames on the side of it, and we got the orange windows on here. Very unique color for the Mod Rod. It did come out in more of a raw look, and now we're getting these different color variations, which I actually like this one. It's a nice white color. It's a little bit pearly. It's not like a pure white. And then on the top right there, we can see that big chrome engine on there. We got the blacked out wheels with the colored lip on there, and then just check out the windows. We've got chrome on the inside of the interior, but then these windows with that tint looks really cool. But just an interesting new color for the Mod Rod. What do you guys think of the Mod Rod? Comment down below. A brand new casting for the 2021 Hot Wheels releases. We have the Aston Martin V12 Speedster. Very cool, interesting, unique looking car. The Speedsters are becoming very popular, and this one looks really cool. If we look from the side, you can see the nice lines, and then when we look at the top, you can see a Speedster has no front window on it, and then it's got the two areas for the passengers. Really unique look to it. Very classic Aston Martin front grille, which is really good. I love the look of all the Aston Martins. And on the back, we have that continuation. Kind of looks like the Vantage on the rear right there. But overall, it's an excellent looking design car. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of the Speedster look as far as that open look, though. I think I would prefer just the regular window look, but nonetheless, they are very unique looking. Next up, we have the Nash, which is a crazy looking car. And this one, if you guys remember, was one of the Hot Wheels show winners. So this one, we do got in a different color. We'll go ahead and open it up and see some of the unique features on the Nash. And if we look from the side, you can see just how like these tires and wheels are oversized, but when we actually look at them, they are very skinny, which is very unique to this car. And then on the front end, we've got the big chrome engine, and you can see there's little dice at the top right there of the chrome engine. You can see it right there. Very cool new color to this one here. We got the whiteout roof on there, and on the back it looks like it's almost like an area for a tire, but it doesn't actually have a tire right there. But just a very cool, unique looking car, and it's nice to see some new colors of this one come out. 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, new color release of this one in silver, which I really like silver cars. I think it shows the line of the cars very nicely, so we'll be able to get a good look at this one. As you can see it right from the side right there, it's got Rebel written on the back. These wheel tire combination looks really good. It really suits this vehicle. And on the front end, you can see it will say Ram on there. They've dropped the Dodge nameplate. They just call their trucks the Rams now, which is not too bad. And you can see on the top right there, we got a big open sunroof right there. It looks like a short bed pickup truck. We've got the Ram logo just on the rear right there. Big fat wheel tire combination. But overall, it's a great looking truck right here. It's nice to see new colors of this one come out. I believe we got this one originally in a red, and then we got a blue, and we've got this one here in a silverish gray color. Dodge Challenger drift car Hot Wheels racing team livery on this one. This one's actually been proven to be a pretty fast car down the peak time racing track, and it's nice that we get some new colorways of this. I love the Hot Wheels logos on the side of it. The Hot Wheels racing team cars are really cool. It's a matte finish blue color, as these ones are all, and then we've got the nice striping on the front. Almost looks like the Italian flag roughly up there, but not really. It's a little bit cool looking though to see that. And then on the side, you can see just how crazy those graphics look. The gray wheels, the bigger ones in the rear, smaller ones in the front. Big spoiler on there as well. Not much detail as far as the rear end, as far as lights or anything go, but it is a clean looking car overall. You can see the front, not much for the headlights or anything like that, but very cool. I really do like the side profile look of this car with that big Hot Wheels logo. Muscle and Blowin', we've got this one here in a new color variation. I like this car. I think it's a nice looking fantasy car. It's a new one that we have, and this one in this color does look very sporty. It almost looks like a Viper crossed with some other sort of car. I'm not too sure exactly, but just look at the engine on there. It's kind of like a titanium look colorway on here. We got the number 53, the Hot Wheels logo on there, and from that side profile, it looks really cool. Different wheels, tires from the front and the rear. That is definitely a unique look to that. We got the big diffuser here, nice painted taillights as well, and that little lip spoiler looks really good. But overall, for a fantasy car, I'm actually digging it. I do like this one. 2017 Ford GT, brand new colorway of this one. Let's go ahead and open this one up and get a nice look at it. This is a then and now series car. The previous variation, the then car of this one, is a Ford GT, and this one does have the livery, which looks like the Le Mans winning car. Very cool. I really like the livery on this one. These white wheels look fantastic on it. Big fan of those ones right here. And just look at the detail. We got the painted front stamped headlights. We've got the nice stripe that comes down the center, the number 4 that we have right on the top of it as well, and then you can see how that stripe continues right to the rear. Great detail overall. Just an excellent car. We have seen this one in many different recolors, but I think this has probably got to be one of my favorite recolors of the Ford GT. 2017 Acura NSX, brand new colorway of this one. Nice flashy green color with the chrome wheels on there. Let's go ahead, open it up and see what this one's all about. Check out the chrome on those wheels, and that green just stands out so well. There's your nice detailed front end on it. A newer NSX that they have just releasing, and they've reworked the front end on it, which I think it looks better on the newer one, but nonetheless, this is still a very cool looking car. You can see from the back end, we've got that mid-engine right down there as well. The black roof on this one, which adds a nice touch to it, but overall, it's a great looking car. It's nice to see these green recolors. I think green on Hot Wheels looks really cool. Custom Ford Bronco, this time in orange from a then and now series. We saw the orange brand new Bronco. Now we've got this old classic custom Bronco. Check it out. Love the gray wheels on there as well. Just some great details with the roll cage on this one. We've got it in gray. And then I like that painting in the front right there. That looks really good. I love it. And it's got the little, I think it says, I don't know exactly what it says. It says something right at the front right there. It's got some sort of coating on there. I'm not too sure exactly what that means. If you guys know, let me know in the comments section. There is the front push bar and headlights, but from the side, it's just a very cool looking car. We did see this one in blue released as well to match the newer Bronco as well. So it's cool that we've got like a double then and now series for this Ford Bronco. Next up, we have what Mattel Hot Wheels calls the Hot Bird. It is a Firebird. We do know that. I'm not sure why they exactly call it the Hot Bird, but we do have it from the Muscle Mania series. This is an excellent looking casting. I think they've done a fantastic job on this. I really dig in the color of this one as well. I think it really suits this car. And then we do have the T-top roof on there. Look at that. Open T-top roofs on there. Very, very cool looking. Front end looks excellent as well. We got the Firebird logo just right there on there, and then on the side I love the striping that goes down right below it, and then we've got the little Firebird logo right there as well, that stripe that goes around the top, and then your back end with that lip spoiler. I think just such a cool looking casting. The Hot Bird, which I call it is the Firebird, but still great to have this one in the Hot Wheels lineup. Custom small block, brand new recolor of this one right here. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. And this one, it does have some special features to it, which I will show you in a second. So very, very cool, very unique what this car can do right here. And there we have it right here. And I believe these come off. So it is you're traveling, I think the Mattel variation is called Mega Blocks, but it is technically like the Lego. So it's really cool that we have this. So if you guys want, you can grab some other Mega Blocks or Lego and you can fit them right on top of here and move them all around. But wow, it's just very, very cool and very unique to see this one come to the Hot Wheels lineup with that. Very cool looking wheels as well. But you guys got to get yourself this car and play around with it. It is super nice. Custom 1970 Honda N600, a very, very tiny Hot Wheels car. But let's go ahead and see what this one's all about. We did see this one, I believe before it was in a different color, but I really like this color. This is becoming a very popular mainstream color. It's kind of like a mixture of blue, green, and gray, but I think it looks really cool. I love these little blacked out wheels on here. Great detail on this one right here. Chrome bumpers and chrome base on it right there. So we got the chrome front end. This one just all around excellent, excellent details. I can see this one being a very popular collector car in the future, but go grab it right now, the 1970 Honda N600. Porsche 993 GT2 in white from the Hot Wheels Exotic series. Big fan of this one. We've seen lots of different recolors of this car, but I'm glad that they keep coming up with more because this casting they've done a fantastic job on. I love the wide body look of it. I love the look of these Porsches right here. Just the front end looks so cool, and I love that big rear spoiler on there. Would have liked to see a little bit more detail on the rear end. It's a little bit plain, nothing's really painted. The front, we do have just the painted front lights right here, but just from the side profile look, that top-down view of this one, just a great looking Hot Wheels car. 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe, this one in black, some nice striping on it from the Muscle Mania series. Let's go ahead and have a look at this one, and I've never really been a huge fan of the coupe body style. I prefer the fastback body style of these 1970s Mustangs, but the paint job that they've done on this one actually makes it look really cool, and you kind of forget about that it doesn't have that fastback look to it. Just look at the front top-down view. It looks so good. The paint, they've done an excellent job in it. Not much details for that front end right there, but just with all the striping down the side of it, the wheels look good for this car. Big lip spoiler on here, the Hot Wheels logo just on the back of it. Very, very glossy black look to this one. It's a great looking car, and I'm super excited to have this one in my collection. Indy 500 Oval, brand new recolor of this one. We've seen lots of different recolors of the Indy 500 Oval, and I really like it. I think it's a great car. It's a great casting to the Hot Wheels lineup. Check it out in this kind of, it's a red, but it's almost like an orangey red color to it right here. And we've got, actually it's more, maybe more it's on the orange side. I don't know. You guys comment down below. What do you guys think this more looks like here? We got the Hot Wheels logo on the side. We got the gray wheels on there. We've got that nice spoiler on the back of it right here, and then that blue base on the bottom. But just in overall, it's a great design car, and like I said, we've seen many recolors of this one, including one is a super treasure hunt back a few years ago as well, and I have that one in my collection, so we'll be adding this one to all of the other Indy 500 ovals that I have. And our last car that we're opening up today, we have the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300, and this one in a rescue livery. So let's go ahead and open this one up and see what this one looks like. Wow, this one looks really good. I'm a big fan of the Unimogs. I think they've done a great job to have them in the Hot Wheels lineup. We've seen all different types of like all-terrain and police, and now we have the rescue variation of the Unimog. So it does say search and rescue. We've got the Hot Wheels logo right there. We've got some sort of rescue logo on there. It might be one of real life, I'm not too sure. And on the front, it does say rescue as well. You can see the extra spare tire wheels in the back end right there as far as all that, and then other gear right there to help with the people. Love the wheels too, they look great. What do you guys think of this Hot Wheels Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300? And there we have all of the cars that we opened up today, guys. In the comment section down below, let me know which one of these cars was your favorite. Make sure you hit that like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.